Are you able to see the screen?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay. So in today's session, I'm going to discuss about validations. So there are two types of validations. So I have splitted validations into two types. Okay, it is not generally. So for our understanding purpose, I have splitted into two types. So request level validations means we have to put some validations on request level, request parameters. So database level validation means so checking the documents whether that request parameters already exist in the MongoDB collection or not. Not MongoDB collection in RDBMS level also. Okay. Suppose consider employee number. So if you insert employee number for at a time, after that that particular employee number, it won't be inserted again and again. For that, what type of validation we have to put in API level? Okay, we will discuss one by one. Request level. This is our API. In EMP controller.ts, we have 4 APIs, CRUD APIs, create, get, update, delete. Okay, but we didn't put try catch for this. So just implement this. And the same thing. After this. Now, here, these are the request parameters. Okay, so our database is test. Okay, this employee collection is our collection. So I'm going to remove this. Now, I have mentioned this condition. First of all, body should not be empty. So this request body, we should not be empty. That means you should not send this empty object. Okay, at that time our API throw exception like request body is required or body should not be empty message. Okay, you should not send a EMP number, ename, sal. This one also not to be empty. And employee number should not contain alphabets. Okay. Employee name should not contain numbers. Salary should contain only numbers. And employee name, that name length should be less than 10 digits. Okay. I'm taking these validations. So how to implement these validations in API level, we will discuss now. So here, so what will be the first validation? Body should not be empty. So if object is of zero, and okay, so if you pass empty object in request, then have to return response taking this, and here I want to send the send status as 201, and message is like body. See, this one I am going to take and paste it. Okay, so let me check. It should not be empty. So this type of message I have to return. Okay. So what will be the second one? EMP number should not be empty. That means if else if body dot emp number, the symbol, that means if it is empty, so there is no emp number, then it will go to this block. Here what type of message I have to give? Emp number should not be empty. This here I am giving emp number empty. EMP number should not be empty. Okay, this type of message API throws. And what will be the next one? E name should not be empty, salary should not be empty. For that same, you can copy and paste it. And write E name. And here E name and sal. Okay. So it will work. And EMP number should contain only a number. Okay. So that means it should be integer. Okay. And is nan function. It returns a Boolean value that indicates whether the value is the result value, not a number. Okay. In this case, body dot emp number. In this case, emp number should be integer. Else we will copy this. If it is not a number, then we will go to this block. Next. Will be the next one. E name should contain should not contain number. Okay, so for this dot test of body dot ename ename should not contain a number. If you pass some integer value in ename, then it will throw this exception. Next, salary should contain only number. Okay, for that you can use this one. So here sal. Next, what will be the next? Ename length should be less than 10 digits. Okay, so I'm going to take employee name validation here, and the body dot ename dot length is greater than 10. Should be less than 10. So if it is greater than or equal to 10, then I am going to return ename should not contain, sorry, ename length should be less than 10 digits. One by one. Here, what will be first validation? Body should be empty, so should not be empty. This validation, first two validations we have checked. Okay. Next, what will be the next? Ename should not be empty. So if you pass some number here and you pass ename empty, then ename should not be empty. Okay. If you pass something and if you don't pass anything in sal, then it will return sal should not be empty. Okay. The employee number should contain only number. If you pass something value in salary, pass any alphabet in ename. Employee number should contain only number. Okay. Next one is ename should not contain number. So if you pass some number in ename, then ename should not contain number. This type of message you will get. Next, salary should contain only number. If you pass some string in salary, we didn't put any validation for salary. Okay, here I have written EMP number. Salary should contain only number. Next, ename length should be less than 10 digits. So here, and the remaining details are all correct. Okay. Then ename length should be less than 10 digits. Okay. So like that, you can write your own logic based on the requirement. Okay. These are the validations we need to put in API level on the request body.